Hello children, let us start with practice set 6.2. First question. The following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So here is the chart given, daily number of hours they work and number of workers. We have to make the table here, class as daily number of hours, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16. And next column, we have to make number of workers, that is frequency. So frequency Fi. Now in this frequency, whatever is given in the table, that we have to write. Here new column we have to add, that is cumulative frequency less than. Less than means we have to start with the lower class to upper class and keep on adding frequency. So less than, your first frequency is 150, then 150 plus 500 will be 650, 650 plus 300, 950, 950 plus 50 equals to 1000. So cumulative frequency less than means from lower class we have to go adding the frequencies up to upper class. And here it is coming 1000. So here you might have seen that we make the total of the last column. Here the frequency total is made in this manner. Now here total frequency sum of Fi n equals to 1000. Frequency sum of Fi. So n by 2 equals to. Therefore n by 2 equals to 1000 by 2 equals to 500. Here the method is special there such that wherever n by 2 is given 500, you come to the cumulative frequency where 500 will come. It is greater than 150 but less than 650. So it will come in the group of 650. So 650, wherever cumulative frequency is there, that frequency class will be known as the model class. So here 10 to 12 is the model class. Frequency of this model class is 500. So it will be written as F, and the previous class cumulative frequency will be taken. Model class, previous class frequency will be taken as cumulative frequency. So here cumulative frequency which is just greater than or equal to 500 is 650. Therefore the median class will be 10 to 12. Now L equals to 10. 10 means the lower class limit of that model class. So 10, L equals to 10 here. F equals to 500. Cumulative frequency as told earlier 150. H equals to class width, that is 12 minus 10 is 2. So H equals to 2. Here median formula is here. Median equals to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus Cf upon F into H. Substitute the values of all the terms here and simplify. You will get median equals to 11.4. Therefore, the median of the number of hours the workers work is 11.4 hours. Next question. The frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grove and their yield of mangoes. Find the median of data. Number of mango trees, class is given, number of trees. Your continuous class is there. So class number of mangoes are given. Frequency of number of trees Fi is given here. Cumulative frequency, now you know how to write. 33 plus 30, 63 plus 30, 90, 153 plus 80, 233 plus 17, 250. So total frequency n equals to 250, and this cumulative frequency total also comes to 250. Here, as I told, total frequency n equals to 250. Therefore, n by 2 equals to 250 upon 2 equals to 125. Where 125 will come in class? Cumulative frequency, it is greater than 63 but less than 153. So it will come in the class 150 to 200. Therefore, this will be the model class. Frequency of model class will be F, that is 90, and previous class cumulative frequency, here it is 63. So take the values lower class limit of model class is 150. So 150, F equals to 90, CF equals to 63, H equals to 50. Formula remains the same. Median equals to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substitute the value, calculate. Here it is coming 184.4. Approximately it is taken as 184, rounded up. The median of the given data is 184 mangoes approximately. Question number 3. The following table shows the classification of number of vehicles and their speeds on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Find the median of the data. Here average speed of vehicles is kilometers per hour and number of vehicles are there. Again, here you see this table is not continuous class. So we'll have to make the continuous class. So here it comes the class average speed of the vehicles 60 to 64, 65 to 69 and so on. So continuous class we will make here. So here 59.5, add 0.5 to the upper limit and subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, you will get this continuous class. So 60 minus 0.5, it equals to 59.5. 64 plus 0.5, you will get 64.5 and so on. Frequency, you know how to write as per given table above. Only here we are making this class as continuous class as it is not given. Cumulative frequency, again you know, first Fi will be 10 only and cumulative frequency next will be 10 plus 34 44 plus 55 99 plus 85 184 plus 10 194 plus 6 200. Again n equals to 200, therefore n by 2 equals to 200 upon 2 equals to 100. From the table, here the median class will be the continuous class. Got it clear? The lower limit of continuous class here is 74.5. So L equals to 74.5, frequency equals to 85, cumulative frequency equals to 99, H equals to 5. Therefore, median equals to L plus in bracket n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. H will be what here? 5. That is 79.5 minus 74.5. Of the continuous class only we have to take H as well as lower limit of the model class. So here substitute the values, you will get 74.559. Here it is taken approximately 75 kilometers. Question number 4. The production of electric bulb in different factories is shown in the following table. Find the median of the productions. Number of bulb produced, it is given in thousands. Please take note, students, here it is given in thousands. So number of factories is given as frequency here. So class will be taken as 30 to 40 and so on. And frequency as per given in the table, total number of frequency comes to 105. That is n equals to 105. Cumulative frequency, again I repeat, first frequency will take like that only, 12 plus 35, 47 plus 20 equals to 67 plus 15 equals to 82 plus 8, 90, 90 plus 7, 97, 97 plus 8, 105. Now here n by 2 is coming how much? N is how much? 105. So it will be 52.5. So where it will come? It will come in the cumulative frequency 67. So model class will be this 50 to 60. Of that class frequency is 20 and cumulative frequency of the previous class, that is 47. So here you get lower limit equals to 50, frequency equals to 20 and cumulative frequency equals to 47. H equals to 10. 60 minus 50 is 10. Again, median formula L plus in bracket n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substitute the value, calculate. Here when you calculate, we get 52.75. Now it was in bracket thousands. So multiply by 1000. So equals to 52,750 lamps. I'm sure you might have understood. Any difficulty, you can ask me on my email address. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.